when the mounting chain falls off. Look for 1 or 2.5 mm hex tool. Loosen the 2 screws here. Separating the vise. Find the middle screw. Swing the center of the mounting device to the top. Embed the white part into the groove. Pay attention to screws. The most central screw needs to be aligned with the center of the drive. Place one end of the chain on the upper side. Bypass drive 1 lap. The chain goes through the pulley. Wrap it around the back. Use the right foot tool again. First, tighten the screws from the side. Feel the tightness of the chain after tightening. The chain cannot come off. Then tighten the screws at the top again.